In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your ManyChat account. First, start by logging into your ManyChat dashboard in your browser. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu or sidebar with different options. Find the option labeled Settings and click on it. This is where ManyChat keeps all your account level controls, including the option to delete your account. When the settings page opens, you'll land in the general settings section for your account. Scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here you should see an option related to deleting your account along with the delete button. Go ahead and click that delete button. At this point, a pop-up window will appear. In this pop-up, ManyChat will tell you if there are any things you need to do before you're allowed to delete your account. Typically, you must cancel any active subscription, disconnect any connected channels, and remove any team members that have been added to the account. If any of these are still active, the platform will not let you complete the deletion. For example, if you have an Instagram channel connected to ManyChat, you'll need to remove it first. To do that, look again at the left-hand panel and find the section called Channels. Click on Instagram under that section. This will open the Instagram settings inside ManyChat. Scroll down the page until you see an option that says something like Remove Instagram account from ManyChat with a Remove button beside it. Click that Remove button. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you really want to remove this channel. Carefully read the warning, because removing the channel will also remove all contacts associated with it, and you won't be able to restore them later. If you're sure, check the box confirming that you understand this consequence. Then type the word remove into the field provided and click the confirm button at the bottom right. Wait for the page to reload. Once it does, the Instagram channel should be fully disconnected. After you've disconnected all channels, canceled any subscriptions, and removed any team members, go back to the left panel and click on General again under Settings. Scroll down and click the delete button once more. This time, the pop-up should ask if you're ready to permanently delete your account. Type the word delete into the text field, then click the delete button at the bottom right of the pop-up. Your ManyChat account will now be scheduled for deletion and you'll be signed out.